how to block all adult websites on all the browsers on Samsung. Now to block adult websites on all browsers, right, we can do this from your system level itself, from a networking level. So we'll open up settings on Samsung and go to connections. From connections, we can go to the option called more connection settings. Then we can go to the option called private DNS, and we can use a private DNS provider. Now select a custom DNS and you must simply enter what I enter over here. So type in family-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. So this is exactly what you want to type in on your custom DNS setting as well, family-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. Once you've done that, just tap the save option and now try going to that website and see if that helps, because this method will block explicit content at the network level, ensuring it applies to Chrome, Samsung Internet and all the other browsers that you use. So in any case in future, if you want to undo it, you can set to automatic or you can remove the DNS provider name. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.